Hi everyone, this is the Inconsistent Artist and thank you for downloading slideFix. Let me walk you through how the script works and how to set up the script as well. So when you download the script, you'll receive three files. One, the Python script itself, one's going to be the logo, and one's going to be a README file. So go through this, but I'll tell you basically what it is. All you have to do is just copy this icon into the icons folder inside your preferences of whatever version of Maya that you're using. And then all you have to do is just select, left click select, drag and drop this file, the script file, directly onto your viewport. All right, and there you go. You see you have an icon on the active shelf. So it doesn't matter which shelf you are in because preferably that will be the shelf that you'll be working off of. That particular shelf will get the icon on it, and it's an executable icon. When you click on it, a graphic user interface or GUI will open up, right, which has just 3 buttons, and I'll show you how this works. But before that, let me just show you that I have a walk cycle for quadruped walk cycle. The feet are sliding over here, all right, and I purposefully kept it that way for the sake of this tutorial. And what I'm gonna do is I want to stop the feet from sliding. Okay, so this is an in-place walk cycle, and it's just been translated using a global controller. You can see that happening in real time over here. All right, so all I need to do is I want to keep the leg just planted on the floor till the frame that it takes off. So I'm gonna see which frame does it actually take off. So it basically starts moving on, say, frame 21. So I want it planted on the ground till frame 20. That's the idea. All right, so how can I do this with the script? Basically all you have to do is just select the controller that you wanna stop. Go to the frame where you want it to be. That's the position where you want it to be, sticking onto the ground. That would probably be your contact position. When you contact, from that position on where your foot, no matter how many feet you have, once you have the contact, that's when it's going to stay until you actually roll it off the ground. All right, so that's exactly what we're going to do over here. On frame first, I already have a contact pose over here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the script to capture its location in the world coordinates. All right, right now it's basically relative to whatever the motion is from the global controller. So I'm just going to instruct it to capture the global coordinates for this particular controller. All right, and then all I have to do is just keep clicking on this, like fix slide for next frame, the second option. All right, I'm just gonna keep clicking it till I reach the frame 20. All right, because 21 is when it's actually lifting its leg. We actually don't want it planted on frame 21. So from 1 to 20, all I have to do is just keep clicking on it. All right, and now we're gonna check what happened. All right, so I'm gonna go back to frame 1 and I'm gonna slide my slider, and you see this now, it's stuck exactly where you want it to be in just frame, and in frame 20 it sort of snaps. That's okay. What we can do is we can go to frame 19, but we want it from 21, right? So we can go to frame 19 and just say fix slide for the next frame, and it'll fix the slide for frame 20 as well. I think you have to go till 21. Okay, so yeah, so it's fixed the slide till 20 sorry, for frame 20, and then on 21 it lifts off. Obviously there's going to be a huge jump because it was not supposed to be traveling this much distance basically. So all you have to do is then you have to go into graph editor and clean up that. Since you're an animator, that's going to be very, very, very easy for you guys to do basically. All right, so there you go. So it's oops. So if you look at it, this one particular feet is stuck where it's supposed to be, till when it's traveling. The contact pose is right there, and as you can see, the script actually creates a locator. It's called the snap lock. All you can do is just have to delete it. But you don't have to delete it manually. Once you're done with the script, just click delete locator, and it will delete the exact locator that's created over there. So you don't have to worry about that either. Once you're done, just close the script and move on with your work. Okay, so the catch that I was talking about is basically that if you close this Maya, the one that you're working on, and you reopen the Maya, the icon will show, but if you click on it, the script will not work because it's a drag and drop script. So each time you open a new Maya, you will have to drag and drop the script. But don't worry about that; it won't create multiple icons. Once you drag and drop, it'll replace the icon and it'll start working back again. This is a small catch that I'm trying to fix. I haven't found the right solution for this, but other than that, the script works and everything else works. Once I find a solution for this, I am going to update it. If any one of you already know how to fix this, I mean, you can always go ahead and read the script, what's written, how it's written, and if you think that you found the solution, please let me know. I will update it immediately, and you will have the latest version with the proper working script. That's it for the demo. Thank you again for downloading slideFix, and see you all next time.